In this video, we will learn what are loops in programming, how many types of loops are there, and how to use them. So let's take a situation. Suppose I am asking you to draw a circle. So you will draw it very happily, right? Now if I ask you again to draw the circle, you can do it. What if I ask to draw the circle 10 times? You can do it, right? But what if I ask you to draw the circle 100 times? It will be boring for you and it is a tedious job and you don't want to do it anymore. To make it more complicated, if I ask you, make the circle of same size which you have drawn for the first time. So you can try it. You may be successful, but it is impossible if you have to draw 100 circles, right? They cannot be of same size. So what you will do? In this case, you can think of the Xerox machine where you will draw a circle, and if you have to make the same kind of same size, then can take the help of Xerox machine, and where you can have 100 or even 1000 copies of the same circle, right? Now in programming, here we can achieve this with the help of loops. A loop is a set of instructions that keeps on repeating itself as many times as you want, and it comes out of the loop, and the loop, or you can say, or the loop stop working only when the condition becomes false. And in programming we are having three types of loops: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. So we will see them one by one. First we'll start with while loop. So in a while loop, what exactly it does and how does it work? In a while loop, first we put the condition, right? While we test the condition, and if the condition can be true or it can be false, depending on that, this loop works. If the condition is true, then it completes whatever the statements are there to be executed. Means if it is said like that, you can go to the market if it is not raining. Go to the market, buy the bread, buy some vegetables, and come back. So there is a condition. While it is not raining, then you are going to the market, you will buy the vegetables and whatever is being asked you. If the condition is false, you will not do it. So this is how while loop work. First it tests the condition. If the condition is true, then it executes the statement, otherwise it will not. So we can understand this with the help of this flow chart. First you will start and test the condition. If the condition is true, then the statement or the body of the loop is executed. Now we will understand it with the help of an example. One more example, just like drawing the circle. Suppose you have to draw the circles 10 times. So I have converted the statement of drawing the circle in the while loop. While circle is less than equal to 10, do draw circle. So right now we don't have any circle. So the number of circle is 0. 0 is less than equal to 10. So the condition is true. It will go over here and it will draw a circle. Let's draw a small circle. Okay. Now the condition is true, right? So it will go over here. You can see it will go over here and check the condition again. Again, when it is going to draw the circle, it will increment the value of circle by 1. Now we have one circle. So the value of circle is 1 now. Again it's going to check the condition. 1 is less than equal to 10. The condition is true again. So what it is asking it again to draw a circle. So you will draw another circle, right? And now again the value of circle will increment to 2. Now we have two circles. Again it will go and test the condition. So this time again the condition is true. So again it is going to draw another circle, right? So here's my third circle, and this will keep on doing it until I have 10 circles, and last 10. So once I have 10 circles, so after drawing the 10th circle, it will increment the value. Now the circles are going to be 11. So if it is asking to draw the 11th circle, now 11 is the less than and 10. So the condition become false. It will not draw the 11th circle over here. Okay, because the condition is false, so it will stop over here itself, and it will not come inside the body of the loop where it has to draw the circle. So I guess this is clear to you how to use the while loop. Now we use the while loop or do while loop only when we don't know exactly how many number of times we have to execute the loop. We have only the condition. It can be true or false. So when we have a condition, and based on that condition we have to execute the task a number of times, we use while loop or do while loop. But in case we know that exactly how many times we have to do this task, in that case we will use for loop. That I am going to cover after do while loop. So let's start with do while loop now. In do while loop, it directly complete the statement first, then test the condition. If it is true, again run the statement or the body of the loop, and based on that, if the condition is true, keep on repeating the statements or the body of the loop. When the statement becomes false, it comes out of the loop. So let's understand again with the help of the example of circles. So here I have converted into do while loop. Over here you can see it is asking to do. So first of all you have to act. You have to draw a circle. So let's draw the circle. Okay. Now after drawing the circle, the next step is testing the condition. While circle is less than equal to 10. Right now I have got one circle which is less than 10. So again it will go to the statement or the body of the loop. Now again it is asking to draw the circle. So again I have to draw the circle. And this will keep on repeating until I have 10 circles. Do while loop is actually used where you want the loop of the body to be executed at least one time without testing the condition. Just like if I change the condition, now over here just do it. Again, draw the circle. So it will draw the circle. Now after drawing the circle, it will test the condition while circle is less than equal to 0. So it means there should not be any circle, right? So the condition becomes false. It will not go again. It will stop here. It will not go again and draw the circle anymore. But it already has done whatever is there in the body or of the loop. So when you want the loop to execute once without testing the condition, in that case you use do while loop. But if you want to test the condition first and then you want the loop to execute, in that way you have to use the while loop. In the next video we will cover the for loop and how we can go about it in Python 2. So keep watching, keep learning, keep sharing. If you have doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And do share the video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.